Okay. So Hemlata, so many of the parents they say like I want to leave for my students. I want to do this throughout my life for my children. And I ask them, don't you leave your life? Don't you have your own goals? And you should do something for yourself. Why are you doing for children?
But you are not doing your work in your life, so you are seeing in your children's life.
See, many children, many parents also feel that it was my dream to become an engineer.
Yes, sir.
So my son should be engineer, my daughter should be engineer.
His father, the dream is there. My son is well educated because he is not more educated because his father is dead in 11th standard and in the job uh, in his absence. So he know to push. He is talked to push because you are a very well educated man in your life because you have success in your life.
Okay.
Huh.
But why parents keep their force the children to fulfill their dreams, but don't try to understand that everyone's dreams are different. Why should we force
Everyone
them?
dreams are different because children children dreams is go to the sports life. But in his sports life, Kush has also go for the sports. But in sports, there is no success because our people is a very middle class and no go for the sports in and no success in sports. Push further it says I am also go for the sports in kabaddi. He is a hero of kabaddi in this in our time and uh, so many of the problems face. So he not included in sports to push and he says to push because uh, you are a successful man in your life because you have studied. You are not good for the play the cricket. You are success in play cricket, but I am not permit to you to go for the cricket and in your you are success in your life.
Okay,
Hmm.
fine, thank you.
Thank you.